Good morning, traders. Okay, LO, we featured it several weeks ago with big buy ratings, and we featured it on Buy Now, Pay Later program. If you didn't have the money and you wanted to be in the big winner, you could still participate. You didn't have to have a bank account. You don't have to have a brokerage account. You don't have to have any of that nonsense. You could be in here right now. All you have to do is call me, man, and get hooked up. The breakout continues, and we know it goes a lot higher, and it will pay. Buy now, pay later, folks that had the courage to do power investing, as you should be, are going to get paid. And they are going to get paid 15, 20 grand on OKLO. Why did you pass this up? It's not too late. I have other ones. SMR is one, and I put that as a bull buy. I put it on the Buy Now, Pay Later program. It got added to the program. I will show that stock in a different video. Look at the super gap. Look at it up $3 right now, and the roll keeps rolling. You people that are underinvested, you need to get involved. You need to take action. You don't have no capital gains tax. You don't have any of that nonsense.